was a nice surprise. So we came back to the factory on a nice Sunday morning. The message from our builder. The factory's flooded. So we just spent the last half of the morning, had to get the boys looked after, and yeah, help the builder sweep out all this, move all the merch out, make an absolute mess. And Brendan and I just moved all the merch in here for the weekend, so this wall could be removed. So I got the heater trying to dry shit up and then get it in here, because basically upstairs flooded and it's all filled up the whole roof and bedouged down on all the merch we just moved in here. So we had boxes on boxes all stacked up. There's hats and stuff, just remnants of things, just dogged. All our merch, it's like all our brand new design. That's actually what I'm wearing.
Not even released yet.
Not even released.
But
so
I think we might. I feel like we should be able to save a fair bit.
Yeah.
Like that's all in plastic.
Hopefully. But yeah, maybe we'll should we do a pre-order? Jump on this?
Yes.
I don't know. I mean, this isn't what we need right now. Absolute pain in the ass. So, I mean, we're going to be releasing these and we'll probably do a pre-order. So we'll put up a link if you want to support. We've just been, obviously, we've sold that factory and we're trying to renovate and move into here. And definitely the last thing that we want. So I'll go up and show you how it happened. But yeah, if you want to jump on airkeepery.com and we'll get some merch to you. So builders also just moved this door. This used to be a window, so now I can actually walk in. I've pulled up all the carpet in here. Also, it was all wet, so I've still got a little bit more to do. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I have to take off all the contact stuff off the floor here. Gonna move that cupboard, open right up for the merch to eventually go in here. That'll be like car parts and whatever. Anyway, come up here where it all went down. So I was actually freaking out because we're doing the renos. There's that bit patch right there that had some pipes, and I got the concrete, removal of the concrete to fill that up. Had a plumber come and block off some pipes and stuff. And it rained last night, and I was like, oh, don't tell me. This is because I've blocked that and I've blocked some storm water. Oh, cooked all into the kitchen area. So anyway, yeah, I thought it might have been my fault, but I had a look, followed, traced it back, and yeah, it wasn't anything to do with rainwater. It's actually to do with this right here. If you can see that, blown out. The hot water. I have switched it off now. I think it must have stopped at some point, but basically overnight it would have been just pissing out of there. Filled up the whole bathroom. Absolutely, that's why it's absolutely cranked with water up here. And probably gone underneath all this, and it's gone. I've got some power switch stuff, FYI. It's all wet, kitchen area. It's hard to see. It's all wet, so it's probably gone under. It's ran along the pipes, and underneath is where the merch is, basically under the bathroom and underneath there. It's all wet. So don't know. What I do know is insurance time, so yeah, we'll send them an email. Send all the pictures and videos, and I don't know what it means, but the least it'll be will be like probably like replacing carpet, walls downstairs. Hopefully not ripping up kitchen, but potentially ripping up some kitchen stuff. Definitely, yeah. I mean, we're going away soon for SEMA and the Japan trip. Yeah, definitely not ideal timing. Because I need to get the floors done, finish off a few things, figure out where the hoists are going, and then we've got handover of that factory in like 2 weeks while we're away. So, yeah. Josh has just gone away for his Japan trip, his personal holiday. So, yeah, it's just tightening up deadlines that I didn't really want right now. Yeah, don't know. Just, I'll probably leave it at that for now. Things going on here that I kind of put a halt on. They had obviously the Tesla build, and we're putting back together PSI 30. That's the next giveaway. The R32 it's probably finishing soonish, but 32 draw, and PSI 60 is supposed to be coming back soonish, but yeah, obviously need to get all this ready to even think about any of that. So Yeah, bit of an update, bit of a chat update. Yeah, how you feel about it?
Just one thing after another, isn't it?
Pretty much.
I mean, the silver lining is that we could have fully renovated it and then happened.
Yes.
That would have really sucked.
Yeah, I don't know what happens with water on fresh epoxy floor or whatever. I think it should be fine because that was set a good middle of the week last week, so concrete should be fine. I don't know. It's chat. So if you're wondering what that 23 Red Racing is, that's the old team that ran out of this factory originally. That did a lot of stuff here. I'm not actually sure the history on it. Check it out.
They're supercars.
Yeah, it was like a supercar, something, yeah. And then all this level was from the brewery side of things. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at that and see where this video goes. We'll see if it ends here. But, yeah, chat times. I just realised we actually have all the security cameras. Some of them, I'm not sure how many we had hooked up. We've pulled a few down from doing all this, but we had a few like there. And there is actually one in the downstairs area down there, but I'm not sure if it was hooked up or blocked or something, because it's kind of weird having it's like in a toilet area. And I don't know if there's anywhere else, but I've thrown any footage I've got of that happening. See if you can see that water flowing. How much worth of merch do you reckon is in here?
It's gotta be close to 50 grand.
50k merch? And all hurt stuff that we had left over from when he came over, Drift Fest.